Ever felt the urge to digitally declutter your life? Maybe you're streamlining your finances, switching to a different payment platform, or simply want to minimize your online footprint. Whatever the reason, if you're pondering how to permanently part ways with your Venmo account, you've landed in the right place. Venmo, the popular peer-to-peer payment app, has become a ubiquitous part of how we send and receive money. From splitting dinner bills with friends to chipping in for group gifts, it offers a convenient way to handle small transactions. But what happens when that convenience no longer serves your needs? What if you're concerned about privacy settings, tired of the social feed, or simply no longer use the service? Deleting your Venmo account isn't as straightforward as uninstalling the app. It's a permanent action that requires a few specific steps to ensure your data is properly removed and your account is fully closed. Think of it like closing a bank account. There are procedures to follow to ensure everything is handled correctly. Before we dive into the how-to, let's briefly consider why someone might want to delete their Venmo account. As mentioned, privacy concerns are a significant factor for some. Venmo's default setting makes transactions public, meaning your friends, and sometimes even strangers, can see who you're paying and what the transaction is for. While you can adjust these settings, some users prefer the clean slate of a deleted account. Another reason could be the desire to consolidate financial apps. Perhaps you've found a different platform that better suits your needs, or you're aiming for a simpler digital life with fewer apps to manage. Overlapping services can sometimes feel redundant, and streamlining can lead to better organization. Then there's the social aspect of Venmo. While some enjoy the ability to see friends' transactions and add playful emojis, others find it intrusive or unnecessary. If you're not a fan of the social feed and prefer a more private payment method, deleting your account might feel like the right move. Finally, personal circumstances change. You might be moving to a country where Venmo isn't widely used, or perhaps your financial habits have shifted. Whatever the reason, understanding that deleting your account is a valid choice is the first step. Now, let's get down to the crucial part: how to actually delete your Venmo account. It's important to understand that this process is permanent. Once your account is deleted, you cannot reactivate it, and your transaction history will be gone. Any linked bank accounts or cards will be unlinked, but it's always a good idea to double-check this after the process is complete. Step 1. Zero out your balance. Before you even think about hitting that delete button, ensure your Venmo balance is zero. If you have any funds in your account, you'll need to transfer them to your linked bank account. To do this, open the Venmo app and navigate to the Me tab, usually the icon in the bottom right corner that looks like a single person or your profile picture. Here, you'll see your current Venmo balance. If it's not zero, tap on it. You'll then see an option to transfer to bank. Follow the prompts to transfer the funds to your linked account. This process usually takes 1 to 3 business days, so plan accordingly. You cannot delete your account with a non-zero balance. Step 2. Remove linked bank accounts and cards, recommended. While Venmo states that linked payment methods are automatically removed upon account deletion, it's a good security practice to manually remove them beforehand. To do this, go back to the Me tab and tap on the Settings gear icon in the top right corner. From the Settings menu, select Payment Methods. Here, you'll see a list of your linked bank accounts and cards. To remove one, simply tap on it and then select Remove. Confirm your decision when prompted. Repeat this process for all linked payment methods. Step 3. Initiate account closure. Now comes the actual deletion process. Unfortunately, you cannot delete your Venmo account directly through the mobile app. This is a crucial point to remember. You'll need to use a web browser to access the Venmo website. Open your preferred web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer and go to the official Venmo website, venmo.com. Log into your account using your username or email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll need to find the account closure option. This isn't always immediately obvious, so here are a few ways to navigate to it. Look for a Settings or Account section. Once logged in on the website, look for a Settings or Account Management area. The location might vary slightly depending on website updates, but it's usually accessible from your profile or a drop-down menu. Within these settings, you should find an option related to closing or deactivating your account. Use the Help Center or Support page. If you're having trouble finding the direct option, navigate to the Help or Support section of the Venmo website. You can usually find a link to this in the website's footer or main menu. Once in the Help Center, search for keywords like delete account, close account, or deactivate account. The help article should provide instructions and a direct link to the account closure form or process. Contact Venmo support directly. If you're still unable to locate the deletion option, your best bet is to contact Venmo support directly through their website. They can guide you through the process or even initiate the closure on your behalf after verifying your identity. Look for a Contact Us option in the Help Center or Support page. Step 4. Follow the account closure process. Once you've found the account closure option, you'll likely be presented with a confirmation screen. Venmo will probably reiterate that this action is permanent and that you won't be able to recover your account. Read this information carefully to ensure you understand the implications. You might be asked to provide a reason for deleting your account. While this is optional, providing feedback can help Venmo understand user needs and improve their service. You may also need to confirm your identity again by entering your password or answering security questions. Follow all the on-screen prompts carefully. Step 5. Confirmation of deletion. After you've completed the account closure process, you should receive a confirmation email from Venmo to the email address associated with your account. This email will serve as proof that your account deletion request has been received and is being processed or has been completed. Keep this email for your records. Important considerations before deleting. Transaction history. As mentioned earlier, deleting your account will permanently erase your transaction history within Venmo. If you need to retain any records of past payments, be sure to download or screenshot this information before you proceed with the deletion. Venmo may not be able to provide this data after your account is closed. Pending transactions. Ensure all pending transactions, payments you've sent or received that haven't cleared yet, are completed before you initiate the deletion process. A pending transaction could potentially cause issues with the closure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.